Guess what? This came January's Grip Workshops. Oh, good, I have a knife. It's a really good knife actually for $6. Wait, let's. The people be like, are you afraid to cut yourself? I got first aid kits in here. If the vehicle I got them. So yeah, let's see what we get. If I could you sit? Oh no! Oh my god! Oh wow! Oh dude, this was worth it. This was worth the wait. I'll tell you why. Okay, so apparently the first two chords eh, or like, which honestly, this goes with the theme I like. Okay, first we have the handcuff key micro and the shim micro. That's nice. And the shim micro. This is actually good for escape and evasion. I think both of the. I don't know if it says 5.99. I'm assuming both though for each. I guess. Don't know. Something I'm going to carry with me either way is the Grimm multi spear cord. It's a simple cord. I like it. I really like it. I like getting gear because I prep a lot of the stuff. These will be with me. I think I do have a shim. Wait, or do I don't know. I have some cord. I don't remember what it is. But hey, these are pretty good to have, actually. That is 1995. What's that cord? Okay. Next is tip cord FI7 How to Build a Platform Fire for $185. That's useful, especially when I start camping, which will hopefully be soon. I don't know if I can. Okay, so the next for $4.85 again is the tip cord FSH5 How to Make a Fishing Spear. I guess that's where this comes in. Also, spear cord. That's where that comes in. That's pretty cool. And one of my favorite things ever. Literally, this is one of my favorite things to get in this description. Like as a thing, I know it's like an advertisement for like the okay offer this $20 a month, blah blah blah. You know, advertisement, but spool. That's pretty cool. I think. I'm I'm actually really happy with this. It was funny. I've always wanted to buy this card. It's simple, but pretty cool. So I'm gonna say two thumbs up again for honestly for me. Like genuinely, I've always been happy with this description. I've never, not been, disappointed. If I get, like another thing, like another, fishing, hooks or whatever, I prep. So therefore, those are good. Okay, I have, prepping or an iron ration, you know, like iron ration gear. Like okay, I have. Okay, so my last hook broke or broke off. I have a fishing cord from Grim. I'm good. Anyway, uh, yeah. 2 thumbs up. I'm happy. Grim Workshop said it would come today, and it did. Of course, it's like almost like 5. But anyway, peace, y'all. This has been Joy K's EC Survival and Prepping on a Budget. Peace.